Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello artists! In this video, I will explain how to make a circle canvas in Ibis Paint X. First, launch the application and tap on My Gallery to start a new project. Select the plus icon to create a new canvas. You can choose any size, but a square canvas like 1000 by 1000 pixels works well. Once your canvas is ready, add a new blank layer. This is where we will draw our perfect circle. Now, let's get that perfect circle. Navigate to the ruler icon in the top toolbar and choose the circular ruler option. A circular guide will appear on your canvas. You can drag the center point to move the ruler and use the outer handle to easily adjust its size. Position it centrally and make it as large or small as you need for your artwork. With the circular ruler in place, select a brush and draw along the ruler's edge on your dedicated circle layer. This creates a perfect outline. Next, select the bucket fill tool and tap inside the circle to fill it completely with a solid color. Once filled, you can deactivate the circular ruler from the ruler menu. This solid, colored circle is now your defined circular canvas. To draw exclusively within your new circular canvas, add a fresh layer directly above your filled circle layer. In the Layer panel, tap the clipping button for this new layer. This action ensures that any strokes or colors you apply on this clipped layer will only appear inside the boundaries of your base circle. Now you can draw freely, creating beautiful art contained perfectly within your circular shape.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.